Hey, my people, it's a girl Mercy Pomelo, and this is Daily Gist on Oluberi TV. And today, what am I bringing you? I'm bringing you I'm going to be talking about this amazing movie. Yes, I'm talking about Brotherhood. Yes, this movie is going to be released 23rd of this month. Yes, 23rd of this month. But then the movie has been premiered and it was graced by so many outfits. Yes, by a whole of celebrities and the who's all around the country. And of course, there was a winner of the best dress to the premiere of the movie who won 1 million naira. Well, I'll unveil who that is later in this video, but before I do that, let's talk about the movie. What's this movie all about? What is Brotherhood all about? Well, Brotherhood is about two brothers, Wale and Akin. Yes, these two brothers have been acted by Faust and Toby Bakri. Yes, they became orphaned when the parents were killed on a New Year Eve. On a New Year Day, on their way home from crossover Sunday service. After years of fighting to survive on the streets of Lagos, the brothers fell on opposite sides of the law, with Wale joining the police first and Akin joining a notorious gang of robbers. The bonds of brotherhood are put to ultimate test as Wale joins a task force that hunts down Akin and his gang. Yes, this movie is promising to be a very interesting one. Yes, that's right. And to the person who won the best dress of this movie, of course, a whole lot of dresses at the premiere of this movie, a whole lot of dresses. Well, the one who takes the crown of the best dress is ex-BBNaija, Ifenanda. Yes, she won the best dress at the Brotherhood movie premiere and gets 1 million naira. Well, her dress, oh my goodness, I don't even know, the red, the gold, it was amazing indeed. And then her hair and everything was amazing. Reality TV star Iheme Faith, although more popularly known as Ifu Enanda, has won the best dress at the recent held Brotherhood movie premiere. The excited reality show star Stockholm actress shared the news via her Instagram page. She shared a video of herself receiving her 1 million naira check and captioned it, "Look who just won best dress and 1 million naira at Brotherhood Juju Ball, the king of fashion." Yes, she said, "We'll win," and we did, thanks to the organizer of Juju Ball Brotherhood, the movie. Yes, amazing. And also, I'm sure that most of you don't worry, when the movie is out, I'm going to be doing a full recap of the movie on this channel. Watch out for that video, and because I'm going to be doing it. Well, that is from me to you this day. Stay cool, stay good, stay blessed. Bye-bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe and also like this video and comment under this video. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you loved the video you just watched. For more and more exciting videos, please do not turn away from this channel. Constantly visit this channel. Also keep subscribing, keep subscribing, and also keep telling someone about Oluberi TV. Thank you.